All right, everyone, we're gonna check out this US General 30-inch service cart by Harbor Freight. This was on sale for $100, so it was a good deal. We decided to check it out. You get 3780 cubic inches of storage, 350 pounds total weight capacity, which is decent. This is just gonna hold extra little tools to roll around that just are common use. Solid casters, powder coated, heavy duty steel, we'll see. It has a locking drawer, ball bearings, and solid rubber casters with 2 locking. It's about standard with these things. There's the part number, 64058. We'll get it open and see what it looks like. All right, seems packaged decently. We'll get everything out and check it out. All right, we got everything laid out here. Here are the wheels. As you can see right there, it says 4 solid rubber casters, 2 locking. Yes, you get 2 locking casters. Actually, I think I only got, no, yeah. So we got 2 locking casters, these 2. This is solid plastic. This is not rubber, so I don't know what they're talking about. This is hard ABS plastic, like this plastic on the truck right here. So a little bit of a disappointment. It's gonna roll a little harder, but hopefully these are a little more durable over bumps and cracks. Get a bag full of nuts and bolts as usual at Harbor Freight. The legs, the drawer, and the rest of the things. So we're gonna get it together and see how it looks. All right, to attach the casters to the bottom of the cart, you'll see there's 4 holes on each corner with cutout squares. That's going to be for the hex head bolts. Find 16 of these. You need 16 of the washers to go on here and 16 of these lock threaded nuts. 13 millimeter ratchet wrench, put them right on easy. Tighten them down, and that's how they should look when they're done. All right, we got all the wheels on. The next thing it says is to take the drawer part and take this top part here and combine the 2 with the 4 bolts here, 4 nuts, 4 washers, and 4 lock washers. And it'll go in these 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, for right now, you can go ahead and slide the drawer out. When you pull it out, it'll have these little tabs on each side. And you just push them down, and it'll release from the drawer. So you can get inside there and finger tighten all them bolts. Do not fully tighten them down yet, because the next step is to put the legs on, and you don't want to tighten everything down and it be uneven. So we're gonna get these legs on here with all the hardware and show you how it goes. All right, we got the lower section of the cart together with the hardware. Takes the Phillips lock nut and a washer. Again, leave everything loose. Now all we have to do is set the top of the cart on top of there, and you're gonna bolt it in on here the same way you bolted it together with the bottom. It'll help to have a helping hand, but if you don't, you can usually manage by yourself. All right, we got most of it together. Now remember, just put everything on hand tight still. As far as this top shelf, when you put it in, go ahead and leave these side bracket areas here open, because you're gonna put the handles with the longer bolts on. Those bolts go to the handle. So go ahead and get everything on. Everything's loose. The only thing we tightened down were the caster wheels to that bottom tray right there. That is the only thing that is torqued down. Everything else is hand tight right now, so that the cart can square itself up. All right, there it is, complete. As far as going together, everything went together perfectly. There was no mismatched holes or anything. You got exactly the right amount of hardware, no extras. Finish overall was pretty good. There are some little scratches here and there, and that's to be expected with these Metal toolboxes coming from China, especially from Harbor Freight, they get banged around a lot. Two of the major, well, let's go over the major things we noticed. One, you do not get solid rubber wheels. You get hard plastic wheels. So I don't know where they got that translation messed up, but either way, the wheels are fine. You can change them out if you want. Comes with a liner for the bottom, no liner for the top. As far as finish, this little spot here looks like maybe someone who is powder coating it, a worker or something may have touched it. Not a big deal. Again, this was on sale for $100. Can't beat it. And one screw right there, it looks like the machining process didn't get all the inside out, so we just had to use a pair of pliers and we ended up scratching it right there doing it, but again, not a big deal. The drawer has a liner, slides really easy, operates good, it locks, has like a little click in place so it won't roll around if it's not locked, but if you're doing heavy moving, you can lock the drawer and it locks. So we're gonna get this thing filled up with a couple tools just to show you how it looks and see if you guys might want to pick this up for a cheap price while I still have it. All right, there it is assembled, and we loaded it up with some things just to give you an idea of what it can hold. Up top here, holds a lot. It's an impact gun, battery operated, a long screwdriver, a charger, a bag of tools, an oil funnel, some gloves. Down below we got some gallon jugs there and a case, tool case, so plenty of room down below as well. And inside here we got another case with another charger and a few little boxes. But yeah, this cart definitely will serve its purpose. It's a good little cart for a service cart if you're an oil lube tech or a brake tech, or you know, suspension tech, anything like that that's specifically on one part of a vehicle. This might be really all you need if you're just specializing in that one area. So it's definitely a sturdy cart, went together well, all the pieces were there, no real hiccups. So for $99 you can't go wrong. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.